want to share my gratitude to all the paper presenters. I am so excited that the quality of papers has been throughout the 2 days has been extraordinary. Uh, Actually, Dr. Jayaraman spent a lot of time in interacting with the abstract presenters, guiding them, selecting the abstracts, uh, and probably all his hard work paid in now in the quality, in the form of quality of these papers. And today, this particular valedictory session, we are blessed to have Swami Mahavedhananda ji. His very straightforward presentation, very much in line with the tradition of Swami Vivekananda. The tradition in Ramakrishna Mission that we see is that they connect themselves to the contemporary society very well. And make very pertinent comments relevant to the times where they live in. So Swami Mahavedhananda ji also did the same in being very straightforward and at times very frank also in his observations. That is needed, Swamiji. That is what is needed today. Thank you very much for your guidance, and we hope that we will proceed in the lines that you suggested for our future work. Thank you very much. And the quality of papers, conference after conference, we are able to see that it is improving. One frank observation is that from the university academics, there is a great disappointing trend. The departments there, the faculty there, do not even take up these topics. Even if one of them is bold enough and takes up, there are not many takers. And disappointingly, many of them do not come to these conferences that are conducted by the non-university systems, non-formal university systems like Indic Academy. But I read an article in a news magazine, which is a left-oriented daily newspaper, a lamentation that more and more wonderful, rigorous scholars are coming from corporate background, technical background, into the areas of Indic orientation. And there they are actually able to overtake the university scholarship. And that, because it's a left newspaper, it laments saying that probably we did a mistake by ignoring these corporate background IT professional and technology professional people, and we did not anticipate that these people are going to flood in such a big way and counter our work in the social sciences and humanities. And I was very glad to read that news report. Actually, there is in a Telugu movie, Ghatotkacha says he is very happy to hear the wailings of the enemy side. Yeah, I am also very happy to hear the wailings of the enemy side. I want to hear more and more of that from that side. Because our greater and greater success leads to more and more of them. So these conferences, conference after conference, are contributing a lot in rigorous contribution of presentations, papers. We are going to publish these papers on our Indic Today magazine, and the proceedings of the conference are also going to be brought out in the form of a book under the able guidance of our director, Dr. Jayaramanji. The yoga textual studies activity, I am very sure, will be taken forward in a very big way, in a rigorous way, in a methodological way. Thank you very much, Dr. Jayaramanji.
Thank you very much, Nagaraj. So this is my opportunity to offer propose a vote of thanks. Initially for Shri Harikiranji, the founder of Indic Academy, who has been who sowed the seeds of thought, Chintana Bijam, so which has sprouted and now flowered in the form of this conference. He has always been unstinting in support, guidance, and gentle in directing us in the right direction. And also Nagarajji, who was always encouraging, always giving the guidance in how to proceed, how to respond, how to receive and interact with the various scholars, how to see their kind of how to respond to the abstracts. So all these practical inputs, guidance, day to day in the course of run up to this conference. So it has been a great guidance from both Shri Nagarajji and also Shri Harikiran Vadlamaniji. And of course, thanks to the entire support team, all the behind the screens activity, the hosting and contacting and all the logistic facilities provide all the support provided by Shri Srinivas ji and Koti Ramprasad ji and all the support team. So I offer heartfelt gratitude and my sincere pranams and namaskaras to Swami Advayanand ji, who gave the inaugural address, and Swami Mahamedanand ji, who gave the valedictory address, and immense gratitude also to all the invited speakers, Professor Kotemane Ramachandra Bhattji, my guru, and Sri Sridharan ji, again my yoga mentor, and we had Professor Madhusudana Penna ji, Professor Sri Vidwan Sri Ramana Sharma ji, and Dr. Vinay Chandra and Dr. Anuradha Chaudhary. All these invited speakers added very important insights and very important dimensions to the discussions on the Hindu meditation traditions and techniques. And also thanks also to all the very erudite and knowledgeable dimensions that are brought out by the invited the paper presenters. So very systematic, meticulous work in sending the papers, in interacting with us, in sending the papers within the timeline, and also wonderful presentations that we had. Thanks also to all the paper presenters. And so these are my humble words of gratitude and dhanyavadaha. And one small announcement that you can see in the chat box is as we had a pre-conference meditation session every day in 8 o'clock before the commencement. So we have a post-conference activity also to deepen the understanding in the realm of dhyana. So we will have from Indica Yoga, we will have a textual immersion on the Dhyana Yoga or the Atma Sanyama Yoga, which is the 6th chapter of Bhagavad Gita. Each of the verses, so I will be the course faculty, where we will take up each of the 47 verses. We will textually analyze them, splitting up the words, paraphrasing, inputs from the commentary. So the course begins, or the textual immersion begins on January 20, and every Thursday we will have that session from 6:30 to 8. So the links for the textual immersion, details about more about the textual immersion, and also registration form are given in the chat box. So I request those interested to please look into it. So with these words, I again salute all, thank all, for this wonderful two-day conference on Hindu dhyana traditions and techniques. Namo Namaha. We will end with a Shanti Mantra. Om. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah. Sarve santu niramayah. Sarve bhadrani pashyantu. Ma kaschid dukkha bhag bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.